Okay, so you're ready to sell your property, but what do you do next? Firstly, you're going to want a valuation. Try and get 2 or 3 of those. Make sure that the agent you're getting out is giving you the correct price. It's really, really, really important. Secondly, is your finance. Make sure, depending on what you're looking to do, if you're a buy-to-let disposing of a property, maybe you've got capital gains tax you need to have a look at. If you are moving on to another property, make sure you've got the mortgage availability there. So make sure your finances are in place, you know what you're looking at there. Thirdly, selecting your agent. Well, hopefully you have a good idea from this from the valuation stage. You have a really good idea from the reviews that you've had a look at, the questions they've been able to answer or not, how they're going to be marketing the property. It's really, really important to get your agent right. That's number one. We would suggest the most important thing that you look at. In terms of, from there, you're going to be looking at getting ready to the market. That may include a bit of home styling. It may include a bit of staging here and there. Again, a good agent will be able to tell you what you need to do in order to get the best value for your property. From there, you're going to be ready to market, but you should be looking, I think, at solicitors too. Now, secondly, but equally as important as your agent, a good solicitor can make or break your sale. So our advice typically is stay local, just so that you can get into the office if you need to. From there, you'll be getting viewings, you'll be negotiating offers, but that too is really, really important. Make sure that the agent you choose can negotiate properly with your buyers. Sounds like a lot, but the first thing, get your valuation and give us a call.